morning. I'm Dr. Dumajan. I'm here with one of my patients who underwent the cervical Deuk laser disc repair for a herniated disc in her neck. Prior to surgery, she had neck pain. It was going into her shoulder with some symptoms that was very uncomfortable. She did not want to undergo fusion or artificial disc, so she came to Deuk Spine Institute. And here you are today. How do you feel today?
Excellent, and I have no pain.
Good. So you're happy?
Yes.
All right. Now, yesterday, we took out what I think was one of the biggest herniations I've seen come out of somebody's neck through the tube. Tube is just 3 millimeters, and your herniation was 10 millimeters. We used the laser to free it up. It was scarred down a little bit, and we pulled it out, and it was a really big herniation that was causing your symptoms. So you really did need the surgery. But why did you choose Deuk Spine Institute for your surgery?
Well, because it's the laser surgery. I didn't want the rods, and I've heard that once you get that, you have problems the rest of your life, and I probably hopefully have another 40 or 50 years left, so I'd like to be as young as possible for as long as possible.
Yeah, the laser surgery doesn't have a lot of the problems that fusion does, like adjacent segment disease and ongoing pain. Our patients typically get rid of theirs immediately, and they remain symptom-free. So what's life look like for you now that we fixed your neck?
Well, I'm gonna be honest, I was here in December. That first surgery was phenomenal. I didn't listen, so here I am again. So now I'm gonna be good, and I'm not going to do yard work or jet ski or anything like that for the next year.
Yeah, it's important with the laser surgery that you give yourself enough time for the disc to seal up and heal. And it will, as long as it has about 9 months to a year. And then you won't have any more problems. Anything you want to say to your family and friends out there?
Anybody who needs the surgery, any laser surgery, this is the place to go. I haven't even had Tylenol. I had another laser surgery yesterday. It's pretty amazing.
Yeah, so no pain after surgery, no need for pain meds like you do with fusions and artificial discs. The laser surgery is so gentle, there's no need for post-operative pain meds. Well, congratulations. Enjoy your life.
Thank you.
And, behave.
I'm not going to see you again.
I hope not. All right, take care.